National spokesperson ke Congress Pawan Khera ha ka khatlai tarik Rymphang kren ha ki nongthoh Khubor ha Congress Bhawan halor ki shiphew tylli ki jingbamsap balalap de ka Congress pyrshah ke Sorkar Mda kini ki shiphew tylli ki jingkynnoh pyrshah ke Sorkar Mda kilong ke jingkhyllem udom jong ke assembly ke jingbam ke pisa ha ka por jong ke khlam COVID-19 ke jingbam ye ke scheme ke MUDA nangta ke scheme Saubhagya ke jingkhaii to yo dewiong ke jingbam klop yo khaw bat kiwe de uni undang yalam Congress uloong balalap ye ke jingbamsap ke ni ke Sorkar Mda amtang na ki brew ki badon syabar ke Sorkar Henry wat kitu ki betrei sinrap hapo jangka uloong badon ki officers ki badai bansha Tohkit Henry minta ki akun election penban kani ke jing ailat bat pencelur de kinong yalam jang ke Sorkar Mda kum kini ki officer ke penisha ibe kinong yalam ke NPP ki kwa bandang penjur syu ik kam Bamsap ha ki por bandang wan ha ke Jylla uloong ula kentui kinong tap vote ke Jylla ban kentai mardor ya kum kini ki jingle jang kinong yalam ke Sorkar Mda bat jet de kinong yalam ki ba 4 don ki jingthoh bria ha khamat ki patwa.
My colleague Babita ji and of course my friend and colleague Matthew. Sorry for the delay. In every election, can I switch the mobile off and the mic off? In every election, whether you are the ruling party or you are in the opposition, what is important for the voter is to assess the performance of the outgoing government, of the incumbent government, based on the promises made in the manifesto. That's only too normal in a democracy. And the track record of the government, of the incumbent government, in the last 5 years, what have they done, what have they not done, what is it that they should not have done. So I was driving down from Guwahati to Shillong and I saw some hoardings of the BJP saying that we need to free Shillong, Meghalaya from corruption, from a corrupt government. He should first put his hand on his heart before he says anything. Before he opens his mouth, his hand should be here. And he should be able to look straight into your eyes. If he can do that, it's a challenge. He can't, then we'll enter into a conversation with him. Otherwise, I don't have any comment to make on him. His days are numbered. You can't be the judge, jury and executioner. We, from the Congress party, give a word of honor to every single voter of Meghalaya when we come to power. We'll ensure that the guilty are brought to book. Justice will be delivered. People will be convinced that what the Congress has said, Congress meant it. People who've robbed the people of Meghalaya won't go scot-free. That's the word of honor.